Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. Crystal here. Just wanted to pop in and let you know I got some goodies from Planner Sister Sticker. Looks like I've been very excited about these. I did open the package already. I'll pull it out and show you guys. Handwritten note already in love. I love, love, love when a small business takes the time to jot you a quick note. So Sarah and Rebecca, thank you. Thank you, thank you. They are with Planner Sister Sticker. I oftentimes confuse that name. Anyways, so I got, let's see, I got 3 kits. You get to choose the finish on the kits when you purchase them. The shipping on this one did take a little while. But that's okay, because I realize that sometimes it's easier for those small businesses to ship. And I think that it's always a good idea to remember that a small business is not ran by a massive corporation of people. They do not have the manpower that even some of those bigger companies that take forever to ship as well do. So we want to give them some grace and be patient with them. All right, first up, let's see. I believe this one is called the Brunch Kit. Yes, the Brunch Kit. I got it in matte. 2 different hair colors. I wrote down the name of those leaves and I forgot it already, you guys. She's holding a jacket in her hand, which is very close to the color of the leaves, which I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Beautiful stickers, that kind of hexagonal background, and that's 2. Those are 2 individual stickers. And we've got some hearts, some croissants. These are squares, or well, they're kind of rectangular-ish. Coffee, looks like a smoothie. Got that dash, or not that dashboard layout. What is this month here? It's just a planner. I don't know that it's a specific layout. Coffee. And then we've got some of your deco and like TV, workout time, order some stickers, weekend, some dates. Again, with our rectangle squares with the ombre effect in the brown, pink, peach, and green. Everything matches color-wise, so that's always really nice. Some thick washi strips. I think this is like, the way these are set up is for like monthly or weekly layouts. They're cut to fit certain planners. I adapt them to whatever layout I want to use them in. Sometimes I do it in a daily, sometimes I do it in a weekly, sometimes I do it on a monthly calendar. These little hydration trackers, these are so cute. Little mason jars with like little heart shapes in them. Absolutely love those. So some to do, many things today, next week, other blog, YouTube, Etsy, school week. Too clean to purchase, too called to do, some boxes. Again, some deco items down here, blank planner pages, coffee, tea, florals. These are really cute little deco items. And then we've got some, these are not boxes, guys. They kind of look like it, but they're actually cut into like little strips that can be used, I'm gonna say probably in your vertical layouts, or maybe on a monthly spread even. I'll be excited to try those out. Same thing here. These are cut into strips. Monthlies, verticals, they look like glitter, but they are matte. We got green, pink, and like almost a taupey pink. Oh, well, that's like a beige pink, and that's a pink. And then our 2 girls again. Different skin tones, different hair colors. I love the inclusivity. We got some more boxes, some little meal icon. I don't know what size these are called. These like little strips where you can just like write something on it, like 1 line or 1 word. We got some daily headers here. That is the matte brunch. Beautiful, very excited. Then we've got, let's see, Blue Sky is the next one. I'm just gonna go ahead and set these over here to the side. So this is Blue Sky. These are big horizontal stickers, not horizontal, vertical stickers, sorry. And it's just everything blue. These bunnies are so stinking cute, you guys. I cannot get over how cute that bunny is. And then a girl in denim, blue jeans, blue coffee cup with donuts, blue planner supplies, blue perfume, blue flowers. I just thought that this blue was a lot of fun. I did a monochromatic, that's the word I was looking for, a monochromatic spread recently in blue, and just loved all the blue. So there's some sprinkles of green in here, another one of my favorite colors, some black, and then of course we've got our order some stickers, grocery reminders, sticker sale, payday, workout, TV, some great little icons and dates, bullet stickers as well. And we've got our ombre verticals in the blue, green, and light blue and black. You can cut these apart if you don't want to use them. Oops, I don't think I lined that up very well. You can cut these apart if you don't want to use them all together. Again, some washi strips. It looks like it's got the glitter on the bottom edge. And then like just some white, I don't know, kind of like scribble paint look. I like it. And again, these little hydration trackers in the mason jar shape. I love it. Yeah, some weekly bill dues. Some words here. Mini, next week, other, blog, YouTube, Etsy, school. To do, to call, to purchase, to clean. Loving these polka dots. I would love to see more of these, but I'm a polka dot fanatic. So the boxes are cut into little strips, different sized ones. There's a thick one down here at the bottom. We got some more deco items, the cups, the bunnies, the perfume, the donuts. So cute, so in love. All right, our girls in denim with some of that polka dotted lovely background. Two big verticals. And then the smaller verticals in matte that are cut into strips that look like glitter. And then another sheet with the weekly headers, or the date headers. And then our little meals, hearts, monies, trash, like little reminder tabs. That one was the blue sky. And then last but not least, probably one of my favorites, which is what made me get in here to begin with, is the honey lemon. You guys, can we talk about the fact that it's almost spring? Like we've been teased here these last couple weeks with spring. And for some reason, I'm in love with sunflowers right now. So we've got our girls with different skin tones, different hair colors, reaching back, holding someone's hand, and these braids with the sunflowers in them and the cute little summery top. I'm in love. And then, can we talk about these? This is just sunshine in a cup, or sunshine, not in a cup, on a sticker sheet. Sunshine on a sticker sheet. I'm in love with this. The lemons, the bumblebees, the sunshine, the pink honeycomb. Like, who would have thought? That's a great color combo. I love it. And then our little Polaroid. Cannot wait to use this. All the fun colors too. These colors are great together. Kind of a dusky denim blue, a real fun, it's not a pastel pink. It's more like a peachy pink. And then yellow in two different hues, the bright yellow and then the pastel yellow. And then we've got the goldish glitter border outline that is not actual glitter, it's matte, so it's very pretty. Yeah, with our normal icons, sticker sale, payday, makeup time, workout, relax time, your dates, vets, workout, coffee, those kinds of things. And our ombre, the light yellow, bright yellow, peachy pink, and dusky blue. lemony washi. Oh, this just makes my heart happy. I'm so excited for this. And then our little I say this every time I do one of these now. I really like Planner Sister stickers. I love these little hydration things. I'm not very good about using them, but I just think they're adorable. And then we've got our little to do, to call, to purchase, to clean. Then all of our little statements here. A little zoomy bumblebee. And these are cut into strips, these patterns. Our girls holding sunflowers, little smiley faces, jar of honey, Polaroids. Yeah. Some more glitter strips, matte, of course. And then we've got our big verticals, different hair color, different skin tones, and then our daily headers. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'm really loving this color combo. Great job, Planner Sister stickers. I cannot wait to use these. Hopefully you'll be seeing these in a spread coming your way soon. Let's just dive into spring, you guys, shall we? Shall we just dive into spring? I think this is what I'm gonna put on the front when I do my, what do you guys think? Should it be like this? Like all this bright beautifulness when I make my my picture video? I think so. I think it should be all this bright beautifulness. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys for hanging out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content. Be sure to share with your friends. We want to help these businesses grow. Thank you again for your support, and ciao for now. I'll see you in the next video.